Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for BMW 420. Okay, first release the key blade. Okay, press the button down, okay, to release it. Okay, use the blade. Okay, if there's a hole here, if you push it in, use the key to push it in, right, the cover will pop. See, the cover open up, and then remove the cover. Use the screwdriver. Okay, screwdriver, right, here's the battery CR2050. Okay, push it in like that, it will come up. Okay, and then replace it. Okay, this end go in first, and then put the cover back on. Okay, cover back on. Okay, and then put the key blade on. Okay, here's this is the BMW 420. Okay, it's 2016. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.